Engineered in collaboration with industry leaders, the Head-Up Tilt Table, HUT, ensures continuity of care for a broader range of patient populations with a bariatric weight capacity of 400 pounds and an electric tilt rate of 6.5 degrees per second. Positioning the HUT is simple and intuitive with the included durable hand control. Height adjustment ranges from a low entry height of 31 inches to a 39-inch maximum, ergonomically accommodating from patient transfer to standing procedures. 90-degree infinitely adjustable reverse Trendelenburg positioning exceeds most syncope evaluation protocols. The included hand control memory positioning allows you to easily program and adjust the desired degree of tilt to meet your facility's requirements. 15-degree Trendelenburg positioning is a vital safety feature for patients experiencing hypotension. Memory positions are easily programmed and reprogrammed as desired. To set a memory position, press and hold M and the chosen position number until the audible beep and LED light indicate completion. In practice, to return to the program position, press and hold. The HUT is complete with a durable weight-bearing patient footboard and 4 patient safety straps. The integrated patient footboard easily folds to engage. An included cushion stored beneath the bed is layered in to create an even patient surface during the exam. When not in use, the patient footboard folds away, reducing the product footprint and need for additional storage. Featuring 2 wide and 2 narrow patient safety straps, the HUT is designed to support patients of varying heights. Traditional horizontal placement or alternative crossing placement should be utilized to ensure patient comfort and stability during testing. To engage the patient's safety strap, align hook and loop sections of each strap, pressing firmly to confirm attachment. Optional dual imaging drop sections create a multi-modality ergonomic solution for both syncope and cardiac imaging. Located on the patient's left, the imaging drop section provides unhindered access to the patient. The manual one-hand rapid release and pivot to the center of the HUT allows for quick, reliable access. The sonographer drop section easily raises to support patients during the exam. For sonographers scanning right-handed, the imaging drop section is conveniently lowered with a remote release, located on the patient's right. The sonographer drop section lowers, providing room for sonographer support. The offset of the dual imaging drop sections promotes a natural posture for imaging. Standard individual locking casters provide the flexibility and security needed during transport and testing. For any questions, demonstrations, or feedback, please contact your representative.